Today, I've got a quick and direct tutorial for you. I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to transfer cryptocurrency from your Binance account to PayPal. It's a straightforward process, so let's dive right in. First things first, launch your Binance application. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet tab at the bottom. Remember, the cryptocurrency you want to transfer to PayPal must be supported by PayPal. For this example, I'll use Bitcoin. Open your Bitcoin wallet and select the Withdraw option. Now, you need to grab your Bitcoin wallet address from PayPal. Switch over to your PayPal app. If you can't find your crypto balance on the home page, navigate to the Finances tab, click on the Crypto tab, and select Bitcoin. Now, click the Transfer button, choose to receive Bitcoin, and you'll see your Bitcoin wallet address. Copy it. Head back to your Binance app, paste the Bitcoin wallet address in the Withdrawal section, and click Next. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. If you're transferring the entire balance, hit Max, and then click Next. On the final page, review the details, the destination address, withdrawal fee, and the amount of Bitcoin you'll receive. If everything looks good, hit Withdraw Bitcoin. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred cryptocurrency, in this case, Bitcoin, from your Binance account to PayPal. I hope this step-by-step guide was helpful. If you found it useful, consider subscribing to the channel for more content. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll catch you in the next one.